Hi friends, today we're going to draw Smurfette. You can choose your own color or even create your own style of Smurfette. Let's have some fun together. First, we're gonna draw the hat. You can pause the video anytime you like.
This is my mommy's hand.
Now we're gonna draw the hair.
She has a lot of hair.
Now we're gonna draw the face. Now we're gonna draw two ovals for the two beautiful eyes.
She really has big eyes.
Let's add some eyelashes. Let's also add the pupils. Now we're gonna draw a C-shaped nose. And a lovely smile.
Let's add more hair.
Now we're gonna draw a little curve for the neck and two lungs for the top of the dress. Now we're gonna draw the left arm. And now we're gonna draw the fingers on the left hand.
I find it difficult to draw the hand.
Pause the video if you like. Yay, the hand is done.
Now we're gonna continue drawing the dress. Now we're gonna draw some curves for the bottom of the dress.
I like her dress. Looks like waves.
Let's draw her right hand. we add a bit more of her hair.
Mommy, you're writing S.
Now we're gonna draw the right leg. Now we add the left leg. A big C for the left foot. Now we add the high heels. Then we finish the right foot and the high heels. Now we're gonna draw some patterns on the dress. You don't have to draw exactly as we did. You can create your own pattern if you like. Now we're gonna color Smurfette. You can use your own colors. You can pause the video if you need more time.
I do need more time. I like her golden hair.
Now we're done with our Smurfette. We hope you enjoyed our video. See you next time.
Bye.